What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel subscriptions in Stripe. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Stripe or stripe.com. After that, you will be redirected to this dashboard of Stripe, wherein if you are new to Stripe, you will see the option of sign in. Simply click on sign in and then sign in with your email, password and other credentials to create your new Stripe account. But if you already have a Stripe account, you will see the option of dashboard or sign in again. Simply click on that and then you will be automatically redirected to the dashboard of Stripe. Now, after coming to the dashboard of Stripe, on the left side under the product section, you can see the billing option. This and the drop down list will appear. From there, click on subscriptions. And after coming into the subscriptions, you will see all your current subscriptions that are going on Stripe. A single line will appear of the subscription, and on the right side, you will see the three dots. Click on those three dots and then click on remove subscription. After clicking on remove subscription, you will see three options to remove the subscription immediately, remove the subscription after some time, or remove the subscription on a particular custom date. You can choose anyone from that, and then you can just click on save, continue, or delete whatever options appears. And after that, your subscription will be cancelled and deleted. So that was all for this video, everyone. This is how you can cancel subscriptions in Stripe. Thank you for watching.